Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm planning for the week beginning February 15th to the 21st using this kit from Lily Blossom Designs, and this kit is called Weekend Vibes. So this is the week after Valentine's Day, and it was like a chilled kind of vibe kit. So I wanted to use this for this week because it was my half term and break from work. So I thought it was perfect. I'm using lots of foil from Planner Pixie Co in the Dusty Rose, and I'm using a silver like Love Heart Wiggle from SBC as my core foil for like scripts and stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and be sure to turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. As always, I'm going to let you guys watch me lay down my base, and I'll be back for the day by day. And also the confetti at the top is from Caress Press, and the script at the top is from SBC. So I'll be back for the day by day. Okay, starting with Monday. I used an appointment label and a vanilla and bear couple sticker from the Paper Shire like love sheet to note that we slept in. The sleeping script is from The Wiggle. Then use an appointment label and a Joy Planning Girl, and then Plan With Me binge script from Bella Plan Ella to note a Plan With Me binge. The Plan With Me binge script, is a custom, and I also PR for Bella Plan Ella, so use my code ADIA215 to get 15% off your order and my freebie, and it will be linked down below. On to the next one, I use a squared off box and a breakfast sticker from that same paper size sheet to note that we made some breakfast, and then used a washi strip and an editing icon from The Wiggle and an edit script from Harriet Rat Design to note that I was editing. You're going to see I rip a lot of paper because this is like just matte paper and it doesn't really reposition well, especially over like the underlace. So you're going to see anytime I use like normal matte paper, I rip it. Then use a squared off box and a paper shire like Amazon Happy Mail girl and a Happy Mail script to know I got some more Happy Mail. I then use a squared off box and a that camera sticker from The Wiggle and a film Plan With Me custom from Randy.plans to note I filmed a plan with me. Then use a appointment label and a traffic sticker from Paper and Thread and a traffic script from Randy.plans to note it was loads of traffic. Then use a squared off box and a chicken sticker from the SBC Wiggle and a meal prep script from The Wiggle to note I was meal prepping. Did I make? I think I made chicken wraps, yeah. On to Tuesday. At the top of Tuesday, I used a squared off box and a paper shire couple sleeping and a time for snuggles script from Randy.plans to note that we slept in again. Then used a washi strip and a YouTube icon from The Wiggle and a Plan With Me binge script from Bella Plan Ella. This was pancake day, so then I used a fancy label and a pancake stack from The Wiggle to note it was pancake day. Then use an appointment label and a budgeting icon from the Coffee Monsters Co. and script to note I was doing some budgeting. I then used a squared up box and a sticker from Tilly Journals and a pull sticker script from Bella Plan Ella to note pulling stickers. I then used a washi strip and a TV icon from, not a TV, a computer icon from The Wiggle to know I was creating some scripts. So in this planner I'm not going to write, so all the scripts that I don't have I'm going to create them. Just haven't printed them because I don't have my printer until I move, so that's why you haven't seen them, but hopefully eventually you will. Then use a squared off box and this couple eating sticker from Paper Shire to note that we had a late dinner. And then use a squared off box and a couple like watching TV from Paper Shire, the Vanilla and Bear to note a Marisha binge. The Marisha script is from Pink Diamond Planner Co. And to Wednesday, I am ahead, but I know I'm going to fall behind eventually. And then on Wednesday, I used a washi strip and a breakfast sticker from the Honeybee shop to note we had breakfast again, even though we had breakfast each week, but I don't usually make breakfast every day, so I was trying to, note that because I was so happy I could actually make breakfast, and I had like pancakes and eggs and all of that, the whole works. Then use a appointment label and this like what is it called, postal stamp sticker from Paper Shire from a freebie. Tonight I went to the post office. I then used a squared off box and a Naomi Love Designs gal doing her hair to note that I was doing my hair. Then use an appointment label and a Zoom icon from GP Studio and observation script. I think this one is from Lily Blossom Designs. It's not on clear paper to note an observation. Then use a squared up box and a Whimsical Cat Studio FaceTime sticker to note another observation. And then use a squared up box and a Paper Shire, and that observation script is from Bella Planet Era. Then I used a Paper Shire couple sticker and the Marisha script from Pink Diamond Planner Co. to note another Marisha binge. I then use a fancy label and a couple vanilla sticker from Paper Shire, like on the phone and laughing to note we were watching YouTube and watching like funny videos, which is why I thought that sticker would be the best. I then use a little thing and a pizza icon from The Wiggle to note we had another pizza night. Are you shocked? Nope, I am not. I'm saying another because I just did the voiceover for my previous Plan With Me, but yeah, we have pizza nights a lot. Moving on to Thursday. At the top of Thursday, I used a squared off box and a Whimsical Cat Studio, like a period sticker, and a Aunt Flo is here script from the Honeybee shop to note that my period came. Then used a squared off box and a vanilla, or bear coming out of the envelope with like love hearts and a mortgage script from of Adobe Amy Designs to note that we got some like mortgage paperwork, which I was happy about. I then used a fancy label that I probably cut down, and a sticker from Planiface, and an organized sticker script from Randy.Plans or Adobe Amy Designs to note I was organizing my stickers again, my leftovers this time. Then used a rounded off box and a breakfast sticker from Papershire to note that my husband made us breakfast. I then used a appointment label and a love heart with white chocolate to note that I was in the mood for snacks, and I was eating lots of snacks in bed. Are you surprised? No, I am not. And then I used a movie marquee and an Iron Man sticker and an Iron Man free script from the script is from Magical Sticker Co, and the Iron Man sticker is from the Coffee Monsters Co to note I was watching Iron Man 3 since it was next in my Marvel lineup. I did skip I did skip the Hulk. I might watch it, but I don't think I'm going to. I know I didn't like it the first time I watched it, so I don't think there's a point. I then use a squared off box and a TV icon and a Moesha script from Pink Diamond Planner Co. This icon is from The Wiggle to note we are watching Moesha. On to Friday, I used a squared off box and a Melanie Electric Girl with an Alarm to note I woke up early. I then used a squared off box and a home munchkin and a mum's house script from Bella Planet Ella to note I went to my mum's house. Then used a squared off box and this like love heart coffee or tea cup from Paper Candy Art to note having lots of tea. The tea time script is from Randy.Plans. I then used a half box and this Cookie Sticker Co period girl to note that I was having really bad cramps, hence why I was having so much tea, because I like to keep warm when I'm having cramps. I then use a squared off box and this sticker from JD in Brooklyn to note that I finished my hair and did faux locks on my hair. So then into the day extender, I use a half box and this Disney sticker from the Honeybee shop to note that this is when I started watching Marvel Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. I was only wanted to watch something while I was doing my hair, and I ended up becoming hooked, so that's why I had a big box, because it took up a lot of the time. And then I used a squared off box and a paper and thread girl like with a burger to note that we had some bims. That was Friday. Moving on to Saturday, I used a squared off box and a munchkin couple sleeping to note that we slept in. I ended up ripping the sleeping script because I'm rough, and yeah, so that's why it's a bit wonky, but yeah, we slept in. And then use appointment label and a what is it called, a breakfast sticker from the Papershire sheet to note that we my husband made breakfast again. Then I used a fancy label and this planner sticker from Papershire and a Plan With Me Binge script from Bella Planet Ella to note Plan With Me Binge. I then use a fancy label and this Munchkin YouTube Disney Plus sticker to note binging Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. I have ordered stickers to note Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. as of now, but I didn't have them, so I just thought Disney Plus would be the best since I was watching on Disney Plus. And then look at me tearing that box on the screen. Oh, sorry about that. Yeah, moving on to what I was saying on to Saturday as well. I used a squared off box and this Paper Dolls Co couples grocery shopping to note a grocery run. The grocery run script is from The Wiggle. Then use a appointment label and a Paper Dolls Co like Good Hair Day sticker to note that I finished doing my hair because I hadn't finished it the day before. And then use a squared off box and a Simply a Mess girl sleeping to note that I was up all night binging Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. On to Sunday, I used a squared off box and this Papershire vanilla and bear couple sticker again, like hugging, and a lazy day script from The Wiggle to note we had a lazy day this day. It was the day before going back to work. I then used this appointment label and a KFC sticker from Pink Diamond Planner Co to note having KFC for brunch because we woke up, we didn't really eat until after like 1. Then use appointment label and this Joy Planning girl to note a Plan With Me binge again. And then use another appointment label or a squared off box and this emoji Disney Plus sticker to note more binging of Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. Then use a fancy label and a Munchkin meal prepping to note I was cooking, then used the squared off box and this couple vanilla and bear sticker. To note, we had a YouTube binge. The YouTube script is from Ice Cream Joe. And then I used a squared off box and a Piranha Pixie Co. boy gaming. To note that while I was binging Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D., my husband was gaming. I like to note it when I have space, just because sometimes I don't have enough, or sometimes I forget, especially on Sundays. I usually don't write it and the next day I forget. So I tried to mark that. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. Also, I forgot to mention that some of the overlays are from Rose Colored Days. The ones that are not from the Wiggle or from the Planet Pixie Co. The ones with like the pinky bows are from Rose Colored Days. Yeah, those ones are from Rose Colored Days because I'm having a mixed moment. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.